Are you like me and worry for your pet's safety when thinking about them being unsecured on a car seat during a car ride? If so, I've got a great product for you today. It's this PETSFIT car seat. It was sent to me by the company so I could do an honest review. And today we're going to take it out of the box, assemble it, and test it out with my dog Pokey here and see how much she likes it. So let's get going. All right, so here it is. It all comes in one bag, and it looks like there's a big instruction sheet on the top. So let's see what we've got. So here we go. I'll take a look and see what we've got to do. Well, the first thing I'll do is just take this part and set it aside for a moment. And then I should just unfold the rest of this. Okay. So you've got the nice soft lining in here, kind of the fake fur lining. I don't know what the right word is for that. And then it's a nice, easy, cleanable bottom. But if you're saying, why isn't that nice and cushy and furry like the sides? Well, that's what this is for. So let me see what we need to do next. So now the next thing it says to do is to take this bottom cushion, and then I'm going to put it together like so. And it's got some Velcro and some straps. So this looks like it will raise the bottom. And I don't know if that gives it a little more cushion or just a little more elevation for tinier pets. Now my dog, she's got a little bit longer legs, and so we'll see how this goes. Maybe I just lay these flat and she doesn't need that boost that maybe some other pets might need. So anyway, we've got this done. I should also point out that I see here there's a zipper where there's this plastic kind of a board and a cushion that's looks like it's removable, I imagine for cleaning purposes. And the same thing I've noticed here on the sides, you've got the plastic and then the cushion. So again, if you need to take that out for cleaning purposes, that definitely makes it nice. So now the next thing I'll do is I'm going to put this bottom inside of the seat, and it fits perfectly. I know it's all black, so it's tough to really see. There, I think you got a better look. And then here, like on the front, you can imagine your pet hanging their head over. And here we see there's this nice fluffy cushion, and you can just put this over the front like so. And it snaps right into place. Oops, sorry, not showing you very good. Need to see where the snap is. There we go. So now when they put their head, if they want to rest their head out the front, it's nice and comfortable for them. There's this handle on the back, and what this is for is to put over the top of the headrest. So it helps keep the seat from lurching forward. But there's more to securing the seat than just putting this adjustable strap over the headrest. You can see on the front, there are these places to put the seat belt. And so I will do that next. But first, let me put this strap over the headrest again. And then let's attach the seat belt. First time doing this, so it's probably a little more clumsy than what it would be if I'd done this a lot. And then, here we go. That's good. And then I'll just, you kind of got to give it a little tug, I guess, to get all the slack out. But here we have it. And now, this is really secure, I think I'm going to tighten the strap a little bit more over the top of the headrest, but otherwise it doesn't want to really come forward. So that's awesome. So after tightening the strap that goes around the headrest, I'm pretty happy with how this is secured. Feels very snug. Now, I should also point out that there is this strap with a little hook that attaches to the collar. So that way, if there are any sudden stops, your pet is safe. And I should also point out that this strap is adjustable. You can see I can make it longer or shorter as needed. So depending on how tall your pet is, you can make this fit whatever you need. Well, I think I'm at the point where I can go get my dog Pokey and see what she thinks. Hey guys, I'm Dan, and welcome to Dan's Review Lab. I test all kinds of products, so you don't have to. If you find something interesting in this video, check the description for my affiliate link. This means that I will earn a small commission if you buy something. It won't cost you anything extra, but it helps support the channel so I can keep bringing you honest reviews. I certainly appreciate it, and now let's get back to the review. Okay, girl, come on. All right, so here's Pokey, and let's see how she likes this seat. She's a taller dog. She only weighs 22 pounds, but she's got some long legs, and as you can see, this seat fits her just fine. And away we go on our adventure. So in the end, I can say that Pokey is really happy with this car seat. She is up and can see what's going on as we're driving and enjoy the surroundings. And I can feel good about the fact that I know that she is safe if there are any sudden stops or starts, and I don't need to worry about her falling and getting hurt. So I'd definitely say that this seat is dog approved and pet owner approved. I hope this video was helpful.